Good morning, students. How are you? Fine? Very good. Let's start with our next lesson with a new unit, that is Unit 5 from our English Balbharti textbook. Lesson number 1. We are opposites. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of opposites? Opposites means completely different. Okay, opposite means completely different. Like, I'm giving you a few examples. Suppose I've put here a picture of a dirty boy, and the other picture is of a clean girl. So dirty and clean, they are completely different. Understood? So opposite of dirty is clean. Next picture, you can see one girl is crying and the other boy is laughing. Okay, so cry and laugh, these are exactly opposites. They are totally different from each other. Cry, laugh are opposites. Next picture, you can see a big ball and a small ball. Okay, so big and small are exactly opposite to each other. Big and small are opposites. Next, you can see a young girl and an old woman. Okay, so old and young are opposites. Old and young are opposites. Same way, you can see the same child, same girl, happy at times and sad at the other time. Okay, so these two emotions are also totally different. So, happy and sad are opposites. Happy and sad are opposites. Next picture is of this girl who is sleeping, and in the other picture she is awake. So asleep and awake are opposites. Asleep and awake are opposites. Next picture, we have a boy who is really very serious during reading, and the other boy is laughing. He is reading something funny. Is it not? So, funny and serious are exactly opposites. Funny and serious are exactly opposite. Next, some children, they don't behave nicely with the others, and some children, they behave very nicely with the others. So those children who behave nicely are called good, and if you do not behave nicely, then it is called bad. So good and bad are opposites. Good and bad are opposites. Next is sweet and sour. Sweet, you all know sweet means meetha, sour means khatta, ambat is called as sour. So sweet and sour are opposites. Similarly, day and night are opposites. Day and night are opposites. So we saw so many opposites till now, right? One more, noisy and quiet. Noisy and quiet, these are also opposites. Boy and girl. Boy and girl are also opposites. So let's see again which were the opposites we saw over here. Once more, we'll take a look at all these. From here we will start. Can you see this pointer? You have to repeat after me. Okay. Asleep and awake. Asleep, awake. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Old, young. Old, young. Funny, serious. Funny, serious. Day, night. Day, night. Noisy, quiet. Noisy, quiet. Bad, good, bad, good, sweet, sour, sweet, sour, happy, sad, happy, sad, big, small, big, small, cry, laugh, cry, laugh, boy, girl, boy, girl. So all these are opposite words. Next, we are going to read out this poem and we'll find out which are the opposite words. Okay? Chalo, start. Let's start reading. We are opposites and I'll tell you more. Repeat after me. We are opposites and I'll tell you more. I say after, I say after, and you say before, and you say before. Very good. I come in and you go out. I come in and you go out. We are opposites, let's give a shout. We are opposites, let's give a shout. Okay, understood? So what they are telling कि we are opposites. Okay, the the child is one is saying after, the other is saying before. So here after and before are opposite words. The in the next para what they are saying, one child is coming in and the other child is going out. That is why we are opposites. So in and out are opposites over here. Okay, we will read the poem once again together. I will read and explain it to you. Okay. I look up and you look down. Repeat after me. I look up and you look down. I like to walk, you run to town. I like to walk, you run to town. I am small, as smaller can be. I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. You are big, much bigger than me. Okay, so here what the child is saying, I look up and you look down. Okay, one child is looking up and the other child is looking down. So here up and down are opposites. I like to walk, you run to town. This child is likes to walk and this child likes to run. So walk and run are again opposites. Okay, in the next para, the child is saying, I am small, as smaller can be. So now they're comparing with each other. So she's saying, I am small. So I'm so small as small can be. ठीक है, जितना छोटा हो सकते हैं उतना छोटा है. So as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. यानी कि you are big, आप मेरे से बहुत बड़े हो, है ना? Much bigger than me. So I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. Okay, understood? We'll come back and read the poem again. Next one. I say stop and you say go. I say stop and you say go. We are opposites, I told you so. We are opposites, I told you so. We are opposites. It's like I said before. We are opposites. It's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot. You think it's cold. I think it's hot. You think it's cold. I say it's new, you say it's old. I say it's new, you say it's old. Okay, here what they are saying? Okay, I am saying stop and you are saying go. So what does that mean? Stop and go are opposite to each other. Stop and go are opposite to each other. So the child is saying, ki, I already told you, no, we are opposites. Okay, we are totally different from each other. And if you want to think of some more things in which way we are different, in which way you are opposite of me, then you will have to think on your own. So the child is saying ki I think it's very hot, garmi ho rahi hai, it's hot, and you think it's cold, you feel it is cold. I say something is new and you say something is old. So the other child is also thinking on her own, and she has found out all these opposites. Hot and cold are opposites, new and old are also opposites. Okay, so we are going to read the poem again. Just give me a moment. Yes, we'll start from here once more. Yes, ready? So you are going to sing after me. Okay, chalo, let's start. We are opposites, and I tell you more. Repeat after me. We are opposites, and I tell you more. I say after, and you say before. I say after, and you say before. I come in, and you go out. I come in, and you go out. We are opposites, let's give a shout. We are opposites, let's give a shout. I look up and you look down. I look up and you look down. I like to walk, you run to town. I like to walk, you run to town. I am small, as smaller can be. I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. You are big, much bigger than me. I say stop, and you say go. I say stop, and you say go. We are opposites, I told you so. We are opposites, I told you so. We are opposites, it's like I said before. We are opposites, like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot, you think it's cold. I think it's hot, you think it's cold. I say it's new, you say it's old. I say it's new, you say it's old. So that's about the poem. You can practice singing the poem again and again. There are so many opposite words over here. You can note it down. Okay, now we are going to say these rhyming words. This is there in your textbook. Read aloud and say faster and faster. Okay, so what we will do first, we will say slowly, then we will say it twice in much faster than the earlier time. Okay, पहले से ज़्यादा फास्ट हम बोलेंगे. ठीक है, तो पहले धीरे बोलेंगे, उसके बाद में हम लोग थोड़ा फास्ट बोलेंगे. रेडी? ओके, let's start from here. Brown, frown, brown, frown. Okay, we'll read it all together once. Dear, near, dear, near. You're supposed to repeat after me. आप लोग सब बोल रहे हैं ना? Walk, talk, chalk. Walk, talk, chalk. Cold, old, gold. Cold, old, gold. Small, ball, all. Small, ball, all. Now sit straight. I don't want anybody slouching. हाँ, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं बैठना है, लेट के नहीं पढ़ना है. Everybody is going to sit straight and repeat after me. Now we are going to have a lot of fun. We are going to repeat and say it louder and faster. Okay? And I'm watching all of you. Right? Chalo, let's start. Brown frown, dear near, walk talk chalk. Cold old gold. Small ball all. Okay, were you able to say? Now we are going to say it still faster. Okay, ready? And we'll say it 2 times. The earlier one will be slow and after that fast. Okay, ready? Brown frown, dear near, walk talk chalk, cold old gold, small ball all. Once more. Brown frown, dear near, walk talk chalk, cold old gold, small ball all. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. Brown frown is a rhyming word. Look at the pronunciation in the end of the words. Uh, on brown frown. Okay, so both the pronunciation or the sounds at the end of the words are similar. That is why we say these are rhyming words. We have already learned the rhyming words. These are a few more. Dear, near, walk, talk, chalk. All these have the similar sounds at the end. Cold, old, gold, small ball, all. So, what we have to look at, should we look at the spelling? Should we look at the spelling at the end? No, we should not look at the spelling, but we should look at the sounds which we hear when we pronounce that particular word. हमें sound देखना है, हमें spelling नहीं देखना है. Okay, understood? Even if the spellings are similar, but if the sounds at the end are different, we cannot call them as rhyming words. So what is important? Sounds at the end of the words should be similar. Then only we will call them as rhyming words. Okay. So the next exercise over here is you have to read the words aloud in which are given in this boxes, and then we have to find the opposite words. We have to make pairs. Okay, there is a opposite word in each box. Like one word is here and opposite for the other word will be in the next box. Okay, first we will read the words. You have to repeat after me. Okay, and I'm watching whoever is not repeating after me. Okay, and I'm going to call you up. आपकी मम्मा को मैं फोन करने वाली हूँ. ठीक है, तो आपको सीधा बैठ के मेरे साथ में रिपीट करना है. ओके, एंड यू शुड नॉट मूव हियर एंड देयर. पूरा वीडियो एक साथ में बैठ के देखना है. ओके, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आफ्टर, हॉट, स्मॉल, अप, न्यू, लेफ्ट, stop, in, here. In the next box, we have before, cold, big, down, old, right, go, out, there. Okay, so these are the words, and we have to make the pairs of the opposite words. Okay, so the opposite of after is before, the opposite of hot is cold, the opposite of small is big. Okay, so you will just repeat after me. After, before. After, before. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Small, big. Small, big. The next words are up, new. Up, the opposite of up is down. So up, down. Repeat. Up, down. New, old. New, old. Left, right. Left, right. Next is stop, go. Stop, go. In, out. In, out. Here, there. Here, there. So what we have to do is we have to write the opposite words in our English notebooks. So these are the opposite words. We have already read it. Once more we will go through them. Now look here. Can you see this cross over here? This cross is the sign of opposite words. Whenever you put a cross, it means you are writing opposite words. Okay, understood? What did I say? X, that is this cross means opposite words. Whenever we write cross, जब भी हम ये cross लिखेंगे इसका मतलब है कि हम लोग opposite words लिख रहे हैं. Okay, understood? So whenever you are writing two opposite words, you have to write a cross, make a cross in between them. Okay, understood? Chalo, let's read once more. Lost, found, after, before, hot, cold, small, big, up, down, new, old, left, right, stop, go, in, out, here, there. So these were the opposite words. I'll put up a PDF and you can copy it from there. And dictation words, this is for self study. The first word is look, L-O-O-K, look. The second word is T-O-W-N, town. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. T-H-I-N-K, think. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E-S, opposites. G-I-V-E, give. S-H-O-U-T, shout. A-N-Y-M-O-R-E, any, more. A-N-Y is any, M-O-R-E is more, any more. S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller. S-A-I-D, said. Okay, so these are the dictation words. You can practice these words. You can write it down in your English notebook and you can practice saying these words, pronunciation of the words, spellings of the words. You should know. Now the next exercise, this is also in your textbook itself. You have to circle the word that does not rhyme with the rest. What did I say when I was talking about rhyming words? That the sound at the end of the word is important. Sound at the end of the word is important. Don't look at the spelling. Okay, so we will first read the words, and what you have to circle, the word which does not rhyme. So there may be three words. There are a set of four words in each say point, like A, B, C, D, E, F, all have four words. So there will be one word which does not rhyme with the three others. Okay, so let's read the word. More, score, door, dare. Now look here. RE is there in these three words. But when we pronounce dare, the word at the ends are not, the sound at the end are not same. So more, score, door, dare. Dare is not having the same sound. Okay. So the which word does not rhyme? Dare. Dare is, you have to circle dare. You can do this exercise in your English textbook right now also. Okay, B is go, so, do, know. So look here, O is there at the end in all the words, but when we pronounce, what is happening? Go, so, know is rhyming, whereas do is not rhyming. So do is the word which we need to circle. Okay, the next one, downtown, brown, own. Look here again, the spelling is similar, right? OWN at all, at the end of each word. But here, what is happening when we are pronouncing the words or when we are saying the words, own has a different sound, whereas the others, downtown, brown, have a similar sound. So, which is the word which does not rhyme? Own does not rhyme. Now let's take a look at the next D1. Fun, ran, gun, sun. Okay, so fun, gun, sun are rhyming, whereas ran does not rhyme. So we'll circle that. Next one is game, same, name, come. Game, same, name, come. So game, same, name are rhyming, whereas come does not rhyme. So we will circle come. In the next point, we have bush, brush, rush, crush. Okay, now look here. Brush, rush, crush are rhyming, but bush is not rhyming with the others. So we are going to circle bush. Okay, I hope this is clear. So that's all for today, and I'll put up a PDF of this class work, which you need to complete in your textbook, as well as opposite you need to write down in your English notebook, and you need to practice it. Okay, chalo, bye.